Welcome to Editor Central Studio. In this tutorial, we'll create a smooth text follower effect in DaVinci Resolve. Start by adding a Text Plus node and choosing your desired font. Type in the text you want to animate. Next, head over to the Fusion page. Right-click on the text node and select Follower option from the context menu. This will open a new Modifiers tab with the follower settings. For this effect, let's animate the text rising from the bottom and settling at the center. You'll find this under the Transform section. Set a keyframe on the Y-position between frames 25 and 30. You might notice a new path modifier appears, just ignore it and return to the Follower tab. Now, set another keyframe at frame 0 to define where the animation begins. At this point, you've created a basic upward motion. To achieve the follower effect, you must set a particular value for time delay between each character. Values between 0.5 to 1.5 work for me. I just forgot, but you can add text color or gradient before starting the effects. To add a fade-in effect, head to the Shading tab and keyframe the opacity, beginning at 0 on frame 0 and gradually increasing to 1 by frame 25. To enhance the look, add a soft glow and fine-tune the settings to your liking. Almost done. If your system can handle it, enable motion blur from the Text Plus settings for a smoother finish. Stay tuned to Editor Central Studio for more creative effects and tutorials. Thanks for watching.